to install the Autopilot nag reducer from Evooor. This is a Tesla Model S 2024 plaid with a Yoke steering wheel. This one has the horn. So after you've released the airbag cover, what I like to do is put a towel here so it protects the steering wheel. Pull this so it doesn't scratch. Unhook this there. Then with this, you're going to install it into this plug where you just pull the brown plug out. And it can only go in one direction. There we go. It's in. So with the other side, I think I saw it blink on this one. With the other side, you'll hook this in to the plug that you just disconnected. So this will go into this. This is what it looks like clipped in. And you confirm that it's working because the steering wheel controls will light back up. So it's a pass-through circuit. And then I'll use electrical tape to tape this down and then tuck it in. I like to tuck it in somewhere around there. This is what it looks like with the electrical tape. As you can see, it sits flush on one side of the connector, so you can't confuse the direction of where it goes. I notice on the version with the horn, this cable doesn't seem to be long enough to tuck it in there. So to get the module to fit properly, because the Yoke steering wheel with the horn has a, this is upgraded or modified. So when you press on the horn, it obviously grounds itself or does what it does to signal that there's a horn. The module, the nag module, would get in the way, and the steering and the airbag won't close. So what I did was I removed the plastic, ran it. There was space underneath here, as you can see, it's sitting right there. Snaked the wire back up there, and that should give it enough room to put the airbag assembly and horn back into place. These are T27 screws, Torx 27, and then I believe it's T30 for the ones that hold the horn module in place. So this has been put back into place. T30 screws, T27 that held the plastic in. You could see that the horn works now. I changed the horn to the goat sound so it wouldn't be so annoying, but if you press it, it works. The module, the nag module, is in place. When you push this twice, you can hear it beep. Push it twice fast and then you hear it beep. So I'll put the airbag in right after this. Airbag has been put in. You just push it, clip it back in and push it, and the horn works. Module is still installed properly. You can hear it by its beep. When you press it twice fast, that the double beep means it's disengaged. One solid beep means that it's turned on. That's how you install it.